The Alchemy of Wanderlust. Beneath the sprawling skies of Tuscany, Elara found herself ensnared in a reverie. The golden hues of the sun dipped low, casting a warm glow over the undulating hills. She had traveled from her bustling city life, seeking solace and inspiration, yet what she discovered was far more profound. As she ambled through quaint villages, each cobblestone street whispered tales of centuries past. The local market, a vibrant tapestry of colors and aromas, offered an intoxicating blend of spices that danced upon her palate. She savored ripe figs and fragrant basil, each bite a revelation, each flavor a reminder of life's simple pleasures. One afternoon, perched on a sun-drenched terrace, Elara met Luca, a painter whose canvas mirrored the landscape around them. His brushstrokes captured not just the scenery, but the very essence of the moment. They exchanged stories, their laughter mingling with the soft rustle of olive trees. Luca spoke of his travels, his heartache, his triumphs, and the transformative power of art. As dusk fell, Elara realized that travel was not merely an exploration of places, it was an alchemical process of the soul. With every encounter, every sunset, she unearthed fragments of herself long buried under the weight of routine. When it was time to depart, Elara felt an inexplicable connection to this land and its people. She carried with her not just memories, but a renewed sense of purpose. The journey had awakened her spirit, igniting an insatiable hunger for discovery. In the tapestry of her life, this chapter shimmered with the promise of infinite horizons, forever beckoning her to wander.